Welcome back, guys. Brendan here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Baker driver backrest support for the Can-Am Spyder F3. If you're watching this video, you're most likely looking for additional back support when riding your Spyder F3. Well, look no further. This Baker backrest is a quick bolt-on mod that drastically improves lower back support. It's 100% bolt-on and is fully adjustable, allowing you to set the backrest support to your desired position. Now follow me as I walk you through the installation process. To start, remove the passenger seat by pushing the key down and turning it to the right. This will unlock the seat so that you can lift it up and off. Next, turn the seat upside down so that you can unhook the safety tether. And then unscrew the other end of the tether connected to the bike. Now you'll need to move this wire out of the way so that you can cut this little tab here. Then take the backrest support bracket and slide it into the slot behind the driver's seat. And reuse the same screw from your tether to tighten it down into place. Then finally slide your backrest into position, tighten it down into place, reconnect the safety tether, and reinstall the passenger seat. It's as simple as that. Now, if this product interests you, head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest mods and installs for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Brendan signing out. We'll see you on the road.